Welcome to Beginning Data Structures and Algorithms in C# by Marcin Jamro, a course by Pact Publishing. I am Todd Heppenstall, and I will be the presenter of this course. Marcin Jamro, PhD, is an entrepreneur and researcher, as well as a developer and architect of various kinds of applications. He is the president of the board at Tytuto SPZOO Limited in Poland. Marcin is interested in many aspects of computer science, including software engineering and project management. He is the author of two other books, Windows Phone 8 Game Development 2013 and Windows Application Development Cookbook 2017, both by Pact Publishing. Marcin has published several papers, participated in many conferences, organized a few of them, and participated in 2 internships at Microsoft in Redmond, USA. He has MCP, MCTS, and MCPD certificates. Let's look at the overview of the course. The first section is Getting Started and explains the very important role of using the right data structures and algorithms. The section briefly introduces you to the topic of the C# programming language and various data types, both value and reference. After that, the section Arrays and Lists covers scenarios of storing data using 2 kinds of random access data structures, namely arrays and lists. First, 3 variants of arrays are explained. That is, single-dimensional, multidimensional, and jagged. You will also get to know 4 sorting algorithms, namely selection, insertion, bubble sort, and quicksort. The next section, Stacks and Queues, explains how to use 2 variants of limited access data structures, namely stacks and queues, including priority queues. The chapter shows how to perform push and pop operations on a stack, and also describes the enqueue and dequeue operations in the case of a queue. Moving further, Dictionaries and Sets focuses on data structures related to dictionaries and sets, which make it possible to map keys to values, perform fast lookup, and carry out various operations on sets. The final section, Variants of Trees, describes a few tree-related topics. It presents the basic tree, together with its implementation, in C# and examples showing this in action. This course walks you through all indispensable data structures and algorithms so they can begin their coding journey in C#. At each step, the videos will show how to implement these via examples, while also discussing the attributes of each algorithm so viewers can make an informed choice. So, let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.